What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So anytime we're talking about content creation in the form of audio and video, whether that be podcasting, streaming, gaming, or even just creating YouTube videos in general, there's two key components that has to be in order for you to be able to convey your message to the public the right way. Number one, it has to be video, and number two, it has to be audio. Now, if somebody was to ask me what would be my, tip between the two, which one should I focus on first, so to speak, I would say, hey, go ahead and make sure you got a decent camera and things like that. But the biggest thing is to make sure that your audio is always up to par. So in this video today, we're going to be taking a look at the USB AM25 condenser microphone by Avanson. Now, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to them for actually sending it out. I really do appreciate any and everything we get on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then go ahead and press all those little buttons at the bottom of the screen. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so if you are in the market for a USB microphone, you can find this one right here on Amazon. I make sure I throw a link up in the description, but the price is $59.99. There is also a 30% coupon as well. So this is the Avanson USB condenser microphone. Great for YouTube, Twitch streaming, podcast, Zoom, things like that. So let's go ahead and scroll through, see if there's anything else we can find. So this is going to be the whole kit right here. You got multiple control, easy adjustment. You got convenient connections. You got your USB, and you got your headphone jack for monitoring. It's great with Mac OS, Windows, things like that. PS4, Zoom, YouTube, podcasting. Just gives you a little bit of the dimensions of everything that comes in the box, and just some other little quick information about a USB microphone. So let's go ahead and dive in the box. All right, guys, so taking a look at the box, up in the corner, you're going to have your Avanson branding. In the bottom, you're going to have your AM-25 USB condenser microphone, and it says that it's an ideal choice for podcasting, home recording, and streaming on the go. Once you flip the box over to the back, it's going to show you all the contents in the box. You're going to have a USB microphone, a boom arm, a U-shaped mount, a windscreen, a pop filter, a USB cable, and a user's manual. So just like it said on the outside of the box, once you open it up, you're going to be greeted with all of those contents. But first up will be the manual. And taking a look in the manual, it just has a little bit of information, and it shows you everything that's going to come with the AM25A and B. And right now we're rocking the AM25B. So after taking a look at the manual, you'll then have the windscreen filter, basically pop filter, windscreen filter, whatever you want to call it. Nothing out of the ordinary, nothing that we haven't seen before. Feels good in the hand, feels like it should work like it should. After that, you're gonna have your USB-C cable. I'm glad they went with a USB-C cable. That way you could be a little more versatile with the microphone, you know what I mean? After that, you're gonna have your mount for the desk to place your boom arm in, and you're gonna have your actual pop filter here. After that, you will have the boom arm itself. Like I said earlier, nothing out of the ordinary, just a typical boom arm that you have seen before. Feels pretty good in the hands, feels like it should be sturdy, feels really nice and tight. So, I'm pretty sure it'll be able to hold up this style microphone. And then last but not least, you got the microphone, and at first glance, it looks really, really nice, and it is very, very heavy. I actually like this microphone. I like the feel in the hand. It has like a soft matte texture to it, so be careful as far as fingerprints go with grease on your hands and stuff like that. Has a little U-shaped mount already attached to it, and like I said earlier, the microphone is heavy. On the front, you have your volume up and down, and it also has a mute button as well. And if you take a look at the bottom of the mic, you're gonna have your USB-C port, and your headphone jack, so that you can actually monitor your audio. So overall, just first impressions of the microphone in hand, I'm actually liking it. So right here is a shot of everything that you're going to get in the box. All right, so what do you guys think of this audio so far? Just keep in mind, this whole video has been recorded with this microphone. From the intro to every single piece of this video, it has been recorded with this microphone. One thing to note as well is that I haven't done anything to the audio, and I will not, no matter what, do anything to the audio. I want you guys to hear it as pure as possible. So a couple things I want to talk about this microphone before we wrap this video up is, number one, I do like the way the microphone looks. I like the ergonomics of it. I like how small it is. I like the design and everything about it. One thing to note is that it is a fingerprint magnet if you get like grease on your hands, because the microphone has this matte rubbery feel to it. I like the placements of the buttons on it and everything. I feel like, you know, this is a decent little microphone that anybody can use in streaming, gaming, you know, podcasting or whatever the case. I think this microphone will work for you. So a few other quick notes is that I am using the boom arm that came with the microphone. I replaced the other one that was on my desk with this one, because if I do come back and give you guys like another review or to follow up with this microphone, which you guys will see this microphone for a good while in every video from here on out, just so you can see me actually use it for a, you know, extended period of time. I wanted to use every single piece that came in the box, so I did switch out the boom arm so I can give you guys a, you know, kind of like a follow up as far as how the boom arm has been holding up. And another thing to note is that this is my old pop filter, and this is the one that came with the Avanson microphone, as you see right here. But one thing I want to point out is that my old one seems to be a little bit more thin, like it has like one layer, which I'm pretty sure is probably 2 layers in it, but it feels like one. But this one feels a little bit more thick to the touch. So that's just one thing to note about the actual filter. Now for one of my biggest things that I want to make sure I let you guys know about this microphone. You know that I record every single one of my videos with my iPhones. I'm currently using my iPhone 12 to record this video, and every single microphone that I have can plug directly into the actual iPhone 12, can actually power it. Now, this microphone was a little bit tricky, and I want to make sure that you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. When I plugged this microphone into my actual phone, it said that the iPhone did not have enough power to support this microphone. So what I ended up doing was I ordered one of the camera adapter kits, but it hasn't gotten here yet. And just the other day, I decided to plug it back into my iPhone. And if you plug this microphone into your phone first and then open up your camera apps, it is not going to work. It's going to tell you that the iPhone doesn't have enough power to support it. So my advice to you, this could just be a fluke on my part, but my advice to you is to make sure that you open up your camera app first and then plug the microphone directly into your iPhone. Now, keep in mind, if it doesn't work for you and you get like that error as far as saying that the iPhone doesn't have enough power, just try to keep redoing those same 2 steps, and you know, I'm pretty sure it'll work for you, because right now, currently, it is working for me, and my camera adapter kit is not scheduled to be here till tomorrow. I also tried this with my iPhone 8, and I tried it with my iPhone 10, and it worked just the same as my iPhone 12. So if you do get this microphone and plug it directly into your iPhone, you may get the power problem. Just open up your camera app first and then plug it in. And if it doesn't work, rinse and repeat. And I'm pretty sure it will work, because like I just said, it is working for me. Now, if you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.